This is our popular roll top bread box featuring the Dragonfly on the lid. It's just a really cool effect with the laser engraving because you look at the detail on that. Isn't that amazing? It's just so sharp. Anyway, it's got a totally smooth surface on the top, just like all our bread boxes do, or all our roll tops do, which is nice for easy wiping. And I've got it loaded up already with 2 full-size loaves of bread, and there's still some space in there depending on the size of loaves that you use. We drill in wood screws along the side to make it extra sturdy, and then we fill in the holes because we don't want you to have to look at ugly screw holes. And as a result, it is very sturdy, won't rattle, and it's a beautiful bread box. I hope you like it. If you don't want a dragonfly on the lid, take a look at our line of products, and we have hundreds of other designs that you can get as well.